Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iOS 14.8 is out now. What we have in iOS 14.8, let me show you. Before update to iOS 14.8, I have a screenshot of iOS 14.7.1. Now we will check the difference. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please don't forget to subscribe. The first screenshot is name is iPhone and software version is 14.7.1. Network is Jazz. And next available space is 44.36 GB. Network provider Jazz 46.0 frequency and modem firmware is 8.80.01. This is the screenshot of 14.7.1. Now we'll check iOS 14.8. First we have to go to settings, then tap general, now tap about. Software version 14.8, iPhone 6s, and if we are talking about the available spaces, same, not a big difference, 44.37, and network provider frequency is also same, Jazz 46.0. In the down, if we're talking about the modem, is also same. There is no difference between iOS 14.7.1 and iOS 14.8. Before we have 8.80.01, and in iOS 14.8 we have 8.80.01. So there is not big difference between these two software versions. In this update, we have only some bug fixes and some security issues. For the big difference, we have to wait for iOS 15. What we have in iOS 15, we will wait for this. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.